Hey there and welcome to the channel. Today we are just outside of Katherine in the Northern Territory and we're about to check out the Katherine Hot Springs. Now the area all around here is a really nicely manicured recreational area. There's walking paths and bike tracks and that kind of thing, but the feature attraction are these awesome natural thermal pools. About to jump into these amazing looking springs. And they're supposed to have great healing properties as well. So after days and days of traveling through WA and the Northern Territory, my body is crying out for this. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah, that's really good. I should have taken my glasses off though. Big mistake there, rookie mistake. But the water is it's not hot and it's not cold. It's kind of mild or tepid, but yeah, it's really nice in here today. All right, so what's also really awesome about these hot springs is there's some beautiful trees and palms which shadow over the hot springs, which make sure the place stays nice and cool even in the middle of Katherine's really hot dry season. Pools do vary in depth. I must add that. This series of pools. I've just come over this little waterfall you can see right behind me, and the depth right now is changed quite dramatically from the last section. So if you do come here, just be aware that it's not all the same depth all the way through. Case in point, I'm 5'11", which is about 181 centimeters tall, so that'll kind of give you an idea of what the depth is. Especially as I add a little bit, as I head a bit closer to the waterfall. Okay, so these thermal pools here are actually a branch of the Katherine River. The Katherine River is the main waterway in this neck of the woods. It also runs through Nitmiluk National Park, which is not too far away from here. And this really is a great place to come along in the dry season to just kind of, chill out and relax. The hot springs are closed in the wet season, and that's because the area is prone to flooding during that time of year. So one thing I really like about this place is they do have wheelchair access, which is the railing that you can see right behind me. This means that people of all ages and all abilities have the opportunity to explore this beautiful part of Katherine. And as you can see behind me, there's even rapids here on the Hot Springs River, or the River of Hot Springs, or the Hot Springs Creek. Alright, so right now we've found this larger waterhole further up the river, the creek. It's a bit deeper as well too, very popular spot. And just behind me there's actually this walkway where people can check out your swimming styles and see how good you look swimming around in the hot springs. So yeah, this place is beautiful. A bit deeper though, so if you do come here, do be very careful, because you don't want this to happen to you when you least expect it. Wow. One, two, three. Alright, so there's like a slight hole here at the top of this hot spring, and we're just going to see if I can get through it without drowning.
So it's the best part.
Well, always the best part. So your feet come through here somewhere. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah, that heaps good. here is to drag myself across these little mini waterfalls or these mini rapids. But just be careful because some of these rocks can be quite sharp. All right, here we go. Oh, hang on. All right. That probably wasn't one of the smartest things I've done today, but it was still fun. The Katherine Hot Springs are a great place to come along to just chill out and relax when you're driving through the territory or visiting the territory. And one of the best things about it too is that they are free, open all through the dry season. If you want to learn more about great places to visit here in Australia, then you want to check out this video over here right now. As usual, thanks for your company, and I'll see you in the next video.